Are you looking for a quick way to take the open chord shapes you already know, or even bar chord shapes and add some quick color? Today we're going to go ahead and look at these shapes and see how we can quickly add the ninth to each voicing to create a really nice sound. So let's start with C major. All we have to do is find the root, and we have one right here on the B string, and move that up a whole step to the ninth, and we'll get a C Add9 chord. It's a little bit more colorful, a little bit more flavorful. So we can do the same thing with A major. We just have to find the root, and there's one on the G string. And we can push that up a whole step, and now we have A Add9, which sounds like this. Once again, it's a little bit more colorful or flavorful, or a little bit more spice. We can do the same thing with A minor. We take A minor, we find the root, it's in the same spot on the G string, and we push that up a whole step to the ninth. Now we have A minor Add9. It's a little spicy. And we could keep going. We could take E major or E minor. So we'll take E major and we'll find our root, which is right here on the D string. We'll just move that up a whole step to the ninth. And we go from E major to, you guessed it, E Add9. And it's a really nice sound. We could try that again with E minor as well. So E minor, the root's in the same spot, right here on the D string. Just take that up a whole step. And now we have E minor Add9. It's another colorful sound as well. And we could do the same thing with G major. We have our root right here on the high E. We could take that up a whole step for the ninth. A little bit of a stretch. If that's too hard, we also have a root right here on the G string. We could take that up a whole step to A, and then you get this sound right here. Another really cool, colorful sound. So let's do one more, and we'll make it D major. So all we got to do is find the root again, and that's on the B string. We'll take that up a whole step to the ninth. And we'll get D Add9. We can also take this same concept and apply it to bar chord shapes we already know. So we can take this shape starting on the A string, find the root right here on the G string, take that up a whole step, and we'll get an Add9 chord again. We can also try that with our minor bar chord shape. Root's in the same spot, just take that up a whole step. Little spicy. We can try the bar chord shapes on the low E string as well. Just find our root and push that up a whole step. That's a nice sound. We can also do that with our minor shape as well on the low E. Just find the root, same spot, and push that up a whole step. And you get minor Add9. Now a quick example on how we can actually use these voicings. We can take a chord progression we already know, like C to A minor. And we can just add those nimes to spice it up. So we'll go from C Add9 to A minor Add9. So I think the next step after you kind of understand this concept is start applying it to all different types of chord shapes you already know that are basic triads. And then take chord progressions you already know and add these nimes to spice them up. If you liked this video and if it helped you, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell as it'll help this channel grow. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll show you some more tips on how to add some spice to these chord shapes we're already familiar with.